am using my iPhone 11 Pro Max and this microphone right here to record this video. So I guess I am super frugal. I think this is really a miracle that I managed to have 250 subscribers. Thank you so much, every one of you, from the bottom of my heart. Seriously. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Elle. And to everyone watching, whether you've been here since day one or you just found my channel, thank you for being part of this amazing milestone. 250 subscribers might seem small to some, but to me, it's nothing short of a miracle. I had no prior video making experience before starting this channel. Personally, I don't think I've ever subscribed to a channel with fewer than a couple of 100,000 subscribers, I think. So the idea that people found and subscribed to a micro channel like mine feels unbelievable. I don't even remember that YouTube pushed any video that has less than 50k views to me. So when I first started this channel with 0 subscribers, I feel like it's almost impossible to get any subscriber at all. The fact that you're watching and supporting me right now is incredibly kind. I know from my own habits that I rarely subscribe to a channel on the first video, so I appreciate anyone who's taking that leap with me. And oh, the comment section. Of course, as a new YouTuber, I don't have a lot of comments, but for those of you who are so genuinely kind to have left a comment, and by the way, all of you are super kind and supportive, which is a huge surprise to me. It speaks volumes to how kind the YouTube community is. Every kind word and piece of feedback truly makes my day. So far, I have around 12 videos on my channel, and 2 of them were really just for a few colleagues who had questions, and 1 is a recorded interview. That means the core of my channel has been about just 10 videos over the last 3 months. So yes, I don't post videos super often, which is something I wanted to change in 2025. But each video has been a learning experience, and your support has kept me going. So I'll talk a little bit about why I started my channel. I am fascinated by generative AI, not because I have worked in tech or have a dream of becoming a big tech company employee, which is a great career goal, by the way, but it's just not mine. But because I am passionate about using coding and AI to improve my life and work, I couldn't find enough content made for someone like me, sort of in the middle. Like, I don't want to be the super expert who knows every single details of the technical side, but I also don't want to be a passive user who relies on other people's knowledge to understand recent developments. So I couldn't find enough content made for someone like me, someone who wants to learn alongside others without having every detail already figured out. So I decided to create it myself and build a community where we can all navigate this new world together. So I want to talk about what I've learned so far. Number 1, start without knowing everything. It's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis, where you overthink every detail before hitting record. I've realized it's far more valuable to just start creating and figure things out along the way. I'm sure you've heard similar advice in the past many times, but if you are a new YouTuber or you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I think my advice is just really get it started. It's okay to not have the state-of-the-art of equipment or even have the software settings all figured out. I am using my iPhone 11 Pro Max and this microphone right here to record this video. So I guess I am super frugal in terms of recording equipment. But honestly, this one right here is so much better than a lot of the several $100 ones I tested. As long as I'm not recording outside with a lot of background noise, this microphone here is quite good. And number two, it takes time. No matter how many tips you collect from top YouTubers, I have watched maybe hundreds of hours of YouTube tips videos from top YouTubers, from fellow new YouTubers. I do find them very helpful. However, you can watch a million tutorials or read tons of advice from top YouTubers, but nothing replaces the practice of actually making videos. It's like learning a new language. You have to speak it, stumble through the basics, and only then do you start sounding fluent. And number three, focus on quality, not just the numbers. Next year, I wanted to publish more quality videos, not just chase subscribers or views. Don't get me wrong, it's awesome to see channel growth, but if the content isn't valuable to people, the numbers don't mean much. Then I want to share a little bit more about the challenges I face. Learning the production process from scratch means there's a steep learning curve, but every new skill I pick up makes my day more fulfilling. And researching equipment can be a total time sink. I once spent 20 to 30 hours just deciding if I needed a teleprompter. But I finally realized it's okay to keep it simple and learn by doing. Thank you so much for subscribing. And then again, to every one of my subscribers, thank you so much for your trusting me. I will keep up the effort and produce more helpful content in 2025. It still blows my mind that 250 of you took a chance on a channel that's just getting started. I can't wait to keep experimenting, learning, and sharing everything I discover about Gen AI and everything else that sparks my curiosity. If you're new, I hope you'll stick around. If you've been here, thank you for believing in me. Let's see where this journey takes us together. Well, I know maybe nobody's watching this video, but I still wanted to spend this time to connect with my community of subscribers. Your support means everything to me.